Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw a Lamborghini Huracan realistically. Begin by lightly sketching the car's fundamental outline. Focus on establishing the correct wheelbase and overall height to ensure accurate proportions. Use basic geometric shapes like rectangles and trapezoids to block out the main body, ensuring a solid foundation for your detailed drawing. This initial step is crucial for a realistic outcome. Now let's refine those iconic body lines. The Lamborghini Huracan is known for its sharp, angular design, so emphasize these features. Carefully define the aggressive front fascia and the powerful rear section. Don't forget to accurately place the distinctive air intakes and vents, as these details significantly contribute to the car's unique appearance. Precision here makes a big difference. Next, we'll focus on the wheels, windows, and other crucial details. Draw the wheels and tires, paying close attention to their size and perspective to make them look grounded. Carefully add the windows, windshield, and the intricate headlight and taillight designs. Finally, incorporate smaller elements such as door handles, side mirrors, and fuel caps to bring your drawing to life. To achieve a truly realistic look, shading and texture are key. Apply shading to create depth and emphasize the car's sculpted contours. Use different pencil pressures to represent various material textures, like the smooth paint versus the matte black trim. Finally, add subtle reflections to the bodywork and glass, giving your Lamborghini Huracan a polished and lifelike appearance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.